This is Packet Tracer 5.4.3.4, verifying and troubleshooting EIGRP operation. The objective is to apply the troubleshooting techniques related to EIGRP to identify configuration issues and also to identify and correct EIGRP configuration issues. The first thing you have to do is learn the status of activity by pinging the PC1, the PC1 to its default gateway, which is 10.10.22, and not the default gateway is 10.21. To the path Ethernet 00 in Chicago 1 router. And 25.35.2. From X1 from Chicago router serial is 10.10.21. Successfully pinged, and from the Chicago router on the path Ethernet 00, which is 10.10.1. Yeah. Successful. And now we have to select the Chicago router in terms of privilege mode. And there are the protocols outgoing update job list for all individuals. Shell running and save command. Now I'll go to Chicago 1. And the shell IP protocol command. So the Chicago router is configured with EIGRP, while the Chicago one does not have any routing protocol or static route configured. Now I have to go to the PC4 and configure its default gateway, which is 10.10.40.2. streaming. Now I have to from PC4 to the Denver router. Denver router and path return is 00, which is 10.254.241. It's streaming. It was unsuccessful. Now I have to go to the Denver router, and if it's privileged, it puts me mode buffering the show enable show IPEI GRP neighbors command, and this is showing, and now I have to look into the configuration command by initial run config. So the Denver 1 router is configured for the IGRP routing protocol, and while the Denver router is configured with the AIGRP routing protocol and autonomous number system of 10. Now I have to configure EIGR properly on the Chicago 1 and Denver routers by entering into routing. Now I have to check with the Chicago 1 routers and show the IP traffic. And that's how they complete activities of verifying troubleshooting IGRP operation.